What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a lot of cleanup in this shop, getting some of the vehicles on the trailer, cleaning up behind the shop, getting this place organized, and then probably Monday I'll take all this scrap out. So in this video, you'll be watching me clean up my shop, and then I'll put the vehicle that I was supposed to fix on hold right now. I just want to finish cleaning up this space. And also in the next couple videos, I'll be doing a full organizational videos. We are currently gonna redo our whole entire warehouse. So everything you see right here, all these boxes, and I do need to take photos. Already got all this to take photos, but all these boxes, this wall is coming down, the whole entire thing. All those shelves are gonna be rotated, coming this way, that way, because this shop is way longer going from north to south than it is from west to east or east to west. So I already started on it. I already got some of the sections down, and my goal is to remove basically from that to that the whole entire thing, but that's going to be in the future videos. So if you guys like this, please give it a like. Subscribe if you want to see more, because next couple videos are going to be all about organization. We did hire a company to help us figure out our inventory system, so all of that is already downloaded. It's already in the computers. So my goal with all this quarantine stuff going around, this perfect opportunity for us to actually remove everything and start from scratch, start fresh, because whenever I designed all this, I really didn't keep in mind a lot of the items, how big, or there was so many different things whenever I put the shelves up this way, and I didn't even have forklift back then. So now all my heavy items are in the back, which is kind of pointless. So I want to put all the light items towards the back and everything up front. So that's going to be a lot of work. And also, see how deep these are? To get anything above it, you got to climb in, and a lot of times it's not safe, especially now since I have employees. I'm trying to make sure everything is as safe as possible and easy to get to. So, but in this video, I'll show you some of the things I'm going to clean up, and we'll go from there. As you can see, some of those cars I got up there, there's one, half of another one, another one, and there's one on the trailer, and there's also another piece of it, but I'm probably going to keep that for now. So we're going to go pick all those up. Also, hey buddy, how are you doing? How you doing, buddy? Also, this side of the space needs to be cleaned up. I already moved most of my bins on this side of the shop, but I got all these wheels that are laying around everywhere, and then everything behind here, as you can see, it's a big mess. So my goal today is to clean all this up. Let's get started. Alright, as you can see, got it all loaded up, and I'm just gonna go behind the shop and pick up all the smaller items and throw them all into that one, maybe a few things in that one, and then I most likely will fit some garbage in that or some scrap in that also. And that, hopefully Monday, the scrapyard will be open. So let's back this trailer up to the shop and start loading this up. Alright, as you guys can see, got all the trash loaded up. I am unhooking this because it's a Saturday, and I hope that the scrapyard still works on Monday. If not, it'll just have to sit here, but at least all that is cleaned up. I am saving that piece right there, and that also I need to fix that other Odyssey with, so at least it's kind of looking a little neater here. So if it is, I'm open on Monday. I'll take all this in, and my shop would be a lot cleaner than it's been for the past 2 weeks. So if you guys enjoy this video, please like, please share, comment below if you have any questions. In future videos, I am delaying that car build just because we added a new inventory system, and the company's working very well with us right now since everybody's at the stay-at-home order. So most people are here to help us online and give us a hand with that inventory stuff. So we're working on that. So in that case, I am going to be reorganizing my whole entire warehouse, renaming locations, putting barcoding the whole thing. So there's a lot of new stuff coming to us. So if you guys want to see more of that, my next video is probably going to be about organization, and it might be like a 10-part video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.